Hello everyone. Today I will be showing you the report section of the Sleep Workflow portal. The report section contains a lot of information that can be used to help you manage your sleep labs more efficiently. To access the report section, navigate to the left side menu and click on the Reports tab. The tab will open up and reveal a number of reports for you to use. Let us first access the study reports. These reports will allow you to access information regarding the studies in your lab. You can see here on the top multiple tabs that allow you to search for various data regarding studies in your lab. The default report that appears for the study is the date range report. This report shows you the number of studies separated by type over a given date range. You can easily see the breakdown of the studies from the chart and the table. To the right, you'll notice that there is an area where you can enter filters. This area allows you to limit the date range that will be taken into account when counting the number of studies. At the bottom of the filter is an area where you can enter a secondary date range that allows you to compare the number of studies between two date ranges. The next tab is the monthly tab, which shows you the breakdown of the number of studies per month of the selected year. Again, a chart and table is provided for easier reference. The third tab is the quarterly tab, which is similar to the monthly tab. Instead of a monthly view, you have a quarterly breakdown of the studies for the year. The fourth tab is the yearly tab. Similar to the first three tabs, this tab shows the breakdown of all studies for the current year compared with the studies from the previous year. The ambulatory tab, as evident from its name, shows the ambulatory studies in your sleep center over a certain date range. Similar to the date range tab, you can filter the date range you want to view and compare it with another date range if desired. The Studies tab shows a more detailed look at all the studies in your lab. You can use the multiple filters here at the top to narrow down the selection, and you can use the PDF or Excel buttons to generate a downloadable report in the respective format. The Order Status tab shows the studies separated by the status of the study instead of by type. Again, you can use the filter to the side to pick a date range you want to view. The next set of reports is for the referrals. These reports show you the breakdown of referrals sent by referring physicians. As with the study reports, you can view these reports either by month, by quarter, or by year. The last tab for this report is the Referring Doctors tab that lists all the referring physicians in your lab. From here, you can view some of their details as well as the total number of referrals that they have made. Clicking on the Review Referrals link will show you the list of referrals that this referring physician has provided for your lab. The third report is the Patient Report. This report shows you a list of all patients in your lab. Similar to the Studies tab in the Study Report, you can filter the results of this report and click on the PDF or Excel button to generate a downloadable report in the respective format. The Patient-to-Tech Ratio report is a special tool that allows you to check on the efficiency of your lab. The patient-to-tech ratio is typically 2 patients to 1 tech per day, though this may vary depending on your lab. Using this report, you can fetch a quick view of the ratios of patients to techs on a daily basis. As with the other reports, you can navigate to different tabs to view the report either over a date range, by month, by quarter, or by year. Another special report is the Cycle Time report. This report will allow you to view the turnout time for the studies in your lab. You can use this tool to figure out which parts of the process create bottlenecks and which parts of the process are the most efficient. The first tab of this report will show you the cycle time of the studies in the given date range. You can adjust the date range by using the filters to the right. The second tab of this report shows you the cycle time between steps for all the studies in your lab. Using this report, you can figure out which parts take the longest to finish and in turn optimize these parts to smooth out the process. The Summary of Findings report is another specialized report. This report shows you a list of all studies with all the scored information detailed in a grid. The last report is the RX report. This report will allow you to view the studies that have an RX generated for them. From this report, you can see the primary insurance info, referring doctor, prescribed treatments, and DME providers used in the generated RX. And that's all for the report section of Sleep Workflow. Thank you everyone, and please watch our other videos to learn more about the Sleep Workflow portal. If you would like to see what our Sleep EMR and productivity solutions can do for your business, please call 1-800-519-0624 or visit our website at www.sleepworkflow.com. You can also like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, or connect with us on LinkedIn at the addresses shown on your screen. Thank you for your time.